you want your eyelashes to look like this, let me put you on to literally the best lash brand ever. Today we're going to be trying out DIY lash extensions. Let's see how we go. They come in like all different sizes, so from 10 millimeters to 16 millimeters. So there's a bond and seal, so you're meant to apply the bond. So I'm just applying the bond, which this is so easy to apply because it's in the little like one form. I love that. So I just pick up the lash with the tweezers that the DIY package came with. Simply just apply it under, just like that. It's literally that easy. And I'll go on with the 15 millimeter just next to the 16. Look how gorgeous that looks. And then I'm going to finish with the 12 millimeter in the inner corner of my eye. They look amazing and they're not going to budge, but to make sure they don't budge at all, we're going to apply the seal part of this product. I just apply it once again, just on the inner part of my eyelash to make sure they're all sealed in. And this is the finished application. My eyelashes look absolutely amazing and they only took me less than 5 minutes to apply. Amazing.